Good morning again. Dito ako. Kumuha lang ako ng natol para sa kasi nga dito ay maraming lamok. I need it. This. For mosquito. Gardening. I need this because a lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquito. Ah! So this is it. This one. Ito lang. Let's go. Planting more, planting. Planting more, planting. Dahil nga sa sayang ang lupa, sayang ang butas ng lupa. Para di masayang, dudublin na natin. Meron, pwede palang ganun eh. So, ang dami na, nasayang, nabali. Ang dami na nabali. So, as I said, don't waste the whole. So, I make 5 plants in one hole. One hole. I make these 5 pieces in one hole. I don't know if can survive. Yes, can survive. It will survive their lives, their lives. So that's why I made one in one hole. Must put this one. This 5. Marami tayo. 5 talaga, 5 or 6. So, lamok. Maraming lamok. Lapag mosquito. Lapag mosquito. In one hole. Kasi tingnan nyo so high. Hindi ko alam to kung mabubuhay. So high. Hindi ko alam mabubuhay. You can survive. Too much 10. Too much 10. So I need to replanting para mag-grow na sila. Mag-grow this. Ha! Nabali. It's broke. That's broke. Hindi ka kasi naisip kanina. Better to make it 5 in one hole. Hole is butas. See? Say. Sa isang kabuo, 5 ka puno. Kigaw ka taas-taas na giduha. Ay, hindi mo ko 5 kay kung mag-ulan, gay matunaw, gay mabuhi no. Hindi mo